Are you a businesswoman who really wants to serve your customers and increase your business? This fountain is an ideal way. Hi, I'm Mary from Mary Botham Consulting, and what you were just looking at is the sales fountain. It's something that my mentor, Katarina Rando, taught me, and the way it works is you think of your product line as fitting into the bowls in the fountain. So your bottom bowl is your easy yes offer where you draw in lots of people. Your middle bowl is your mid-priced offerings, and your top bowl is your more exclusive offers. People can come in at any bowl, but can you create a business where people can stay in your fountain as your lifelong customers, where they love you and you are serving them? That's what we're going to work on at our next Bliss community on February 27th here in Half Moon Bay. This one won't be in my home, but it will be in another home of a member of Bliss right here on the coast. So please join us February 27th for Bliss, where businesswomen learn, inspire, and support each other while strengthening their business.